What a lovely sensation it would be to have the independence we require in our life. Imagine being irritated every day coming to work with a boss, the employer. One of the many reasons why we want to earn money online is to get rid of the latter. Make sure you keep watching and do not miss any of this video's details. Without further ado, let me show you an outstanding website that has the potential to help you make a lot of money online and as much as $600 in a single day. And you can do it all without any prior knowledge or experience. It's also fully free and available worldwide. So stay tuned and keep watching because I'll provide you with a variety of supplementary information and free tools to help you get started. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? I'd want you to have a look at this website ratio on Amazon.com. But it's right here in the Kindle Books area. Now, if you look down here, you'll find that there are a number of people selling ebooks for $4.99. There are also some that sell it on this website for $3.99. As I continue to scroll down, we can see that there are many more Kindle ebooks that people have submitted on this website. Some go for as much as $13.99. This suggests that a large number of people are benefiting from this method. Look at this one, where over 1,700 people have given reviews after purchasing these Kindle publications. So without further ado, let's get started with the online calculator. A single Kindle ebook costs $13.99. Then there are over 2,607 folks who are purchasing this one right now. And as you can see, you've made about $36,000 by merely releasing a single Kindle ebook like this one, and you don't need any knowledge, no investment, and all you have to do is copy and paste and utilize a done-for-you template, which I'll show you in today's video. The second website I'd want you to visit is visme.co. This platform allows you and me to generate incredibly beautiful and professional Kindle books like this one, which we can sell for a lot of money without any prior knowledge. So basically, this is a three-step process. So the first step is to select a done-for-you template, although there are plenty to pick from. So stay watching this video because I'm going to show you a real-life example of how to do it. Now step 2. After you've selected a done-for-you template, you may add whatever you want, such as changing the backdrop, text size, font color, and pretty much anything else. Step 3 is that you may obtain these ebooks for free and publish them on Amazon. So keep watching this video because I'm very happy to tell you all about this fantastic opportunity. Right now, I want you to click on this blue button right here, and you'll be brought to a page where you can join up for a free account from anywhere in the world and start writing your ebooks. As a result, it's really simple. Simply enter your name, email address, and password before clicking the blue register button right here. As you can see, there are numerous papers available if you scroll down below, such as reports, proposal resumes, cover letters, and so on. And then we'll search for this one over here, ebooks, so you can view your ebooks. When you click on the ebooks option, you'll have a variety of templates to pick from. All of them are quite professional and very beautiful. As you can see by scrolling down below, there are literally hundreds of choices done for you template that you can just click on and everything will be done for you automatically with no need for you to pay any money. So let me offer you the first bonus tip right now. Okay, as you can see on the Kindle eBooks page, there are many different sorts of ebooks that you may sell. Think about arts and photography, business and money, education and teaching, and so on. So I want you to focus on your health, exercise, and nutrition since this is the most profitable area, which means you can make a lot of money online with less competition. Now that we've chosen on the area in which we wish to specialize, health and fitness, we'll look for a template that's acceptable for these kinds of categories. So if you want to utilize this template right here, It's incredibly professional and suited for the health and fitness industry, as you can see. So if I click on this preview button right here, you can see what I'm talking about and what's inside the design right now. Take a look at these more cover photographs for inspiration. So if you scroll down, you'll see all of the pages that are included in this template. They're all intended to teach individuals how to lose weight and what kinds of fruits to eat. This template has a wealth of material on the subject and is practically a whole booklet that you can simply copy and paste. Once you've decided this is the template for you, all you have to do is go in and click on this blue button to use it. As you can see, you may now go to this new page and change and adjust everything you want. One of the reasons I enjoy this so much is that they supply you with a cover image for the ebook that is both professional and beautiful. So, for example, if you want to talk about calories or a decent diet plan, there are literally pages and pages of content that you can copy and paste and start selling on Amazon Kindle ebooks in the health and fitness category. So if you don't like something on this page right now, you may double-click on it and change the text and font size, the bold lead and underlined lead color of the text, and any other changes you like. But the good news is that almost everything is taken care of for you. So you may put your name right here, or a nickname, for example. So you're going to change the title of this ebook and change whatever else you like. When you're satisfied with that, simply return to the top and click the download option. You may do this on either your phone or your PC. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. The website that we're visiting is freeplrdownloads.com. This website primarily has a vast number of free ebooks that you can simply copy and paste and download. And as you can see, there are several diverse categories. So for the time being, we'll concentrate on health. If you click on this health link right here, you will be directed to the health category indicated here. And if you scroll down, you'll discover hundreds of different ebooks or done-for-you Kindle ebooks that you can download for free. Take, for example, this booklet right here. All you have to do is click on it to be taken to this page. Continue scrolling down until you see a blue download button, which is in this case exactly here. So all you have to do is click the download button, and if you don't already have an account, sign up for one. And you can download it for free using your phone or computer. Once you've finished downloading all of the health category ebooks, you can go on to another category. And using the free PLR website, you can start selling them on Amazon and earn a lot of money. So once you've purchased your ebooks from visme.co, you may download them through freeplrdownloads.com. After you've created an ebook, the next step is to publish it on Amazon. So right now, we're heading to Kindle Direct Publishing. You can visit their website directly at kdp.amazon.com. When you arrive to this website, you can start publishing your own ebooks similar to this one and start generating money. As you can see, publishing takes less than 5 minutes, so you can get to market fair soon. And as you can see, your Kindle store may be accessible in as little as 24 hours from anywhere in the globe. All you have to do is go to this website and click the Sign Up button. If you already have an Amazon account, you'll be sent to this page where you may log into your account straight away. If you're new to Amazon, you can discover what's new to KDP by scrolling down below. This is the page where you may set up your KDP account. And I'd like you to click this button right here, which will lead you to this website where you can establish your KDP account. Simply enter your name, email address, and password, and then confirm your password. Then click the Create KDP Account button. From there, you can start publishing your ebooks by uploading them to Amazon, where they will instantly begin selling them for you from all over the world. That's the end of it. This has been Money Intelligence. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the future video.